Hey there, car enthusiasts. Ever wondered what keeps your engine cool during those long drives? Today, we're diving into the heart of your vehicle's cooling system, the water pump. Water pump is a device that helps cool and circulate through the cooling system in a motor vehicle. It is usually buried under the timing belt cover on the side of the engine. The water pump operates using an impeller, a rotating fan-like component inside the pump housing. As the engine runs, the pump pulls coolant from the radiator and pushes it through the engine block. This process absorbs excess heat and carries it back to the radiator, where the heat dissipates before the cycle repeats. A faulty water pump may cause the engine to overheat. They cool it and make a whining noise. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard. Short distance driving is permitted if you find these symptoms in your car, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. To save more money on car expenses, purchase an engine code eraser by clicking the description link below. If your water pump is failing, don't wait too long to replace it. A bad pump can lead to engine damage, and that's a much bigger repair bill. Most water pumps last between 60,000 to 100,000 miles, and they're often replaced when doing a timing belt change since they're in the same area. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your water pump in top shape. Check your coolant levels, inspect the pump and belts for wear and tear, and follow your car manufacturer's recommended service schedule. And there you have it, a quick look at the essential water pump. Keep your engine cool and happy, and your car will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more automotive tips and tricks.